Hey, welcome back. We are so excited to bring an amazing combination to your WooCommerce marketplace. It offers a feature for vendors to present their contact details and closely communicate with customer. Applause for the combination of Dokan multi-vendors and WhatsApp for WordPress. Let's see how you can enable WhatsApp widgets for vendors in Dokan through simple steps. First, we need Dokan and WhatsApp chats for WordPress plugin active on your WordPress website. Then, we are going to access the settings section of Ninja Team WhatsApp. Click to enable WhatsApp button and interact with Dokan vendor. Remember to hit Save Change. After that, let's move to the Dokan vendor dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom. We can see the setting tab here. Navigate to WhatsApp and start config on this panel. Now, we see WhatsApp interact function. Okay, in the account number or group chat URL box, insert your mobile number and if you want your customer to directly connect with your community. You also can base the URL of your group chat here. With the button label box, type a trigger sentence to convince customer to chat with store owner. You also can choose the position to display a button with this crop down list. And the final options of this panel. You can see here is the display WhatsApp floating widget option. If we enable it, that means the WhatsApp floating widget appears on the right corner of on page associated with the vendor, including the store page, collection page, product page, etc. Finally, hit update settings. And yay, our WhatsApp options has been added successfully. Now, let's take a look at how customer uses. Firstly, access the store list. Then select any store you want. You will find the chat option available under the store banner, which is vendor. They can make WhatsApp run independently. They will provide their support channel to customer and be unaffected by admin setting. Okay, how simple was that? Just by simple stuff, the WooCommerce store owner and vendors can easily communicate with customer. For more information or update, let's follow our channel.